We're here at J. Robata. This is Isaac, and the owner here is James Hiroyuki, doing some work.
Yeah, this knife is a little slippery. Oh. It's a little scary.
We're making a little cream spinach and cream corn, right?
Yep.
And this is Chef Isaac's recipe.
This is an online recipe.
Google recipe. All right, Hiro. You thought you weren't going to do any work out here, right?
Thank you. I always watch your channel.
Sweet haircut.
Oh, you think so? Hey.
So this is actually a video. What's your name?
My name is Hung.
Hung. Okay, we came into a party here. Just take a look. And just walked in and Hung knows Hiro.
I'm starstruck.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I always watch him on YouTube. Yeah, I learned a lot.
Uncle, who told me? I said,
yeah. I love sushi. So I always look for chefs to look at, and I subscribe to your channel.
Thank you so much.
Starstruck.
Yeah, thank you.
I think by you coming, he's so the happiest beside the party.
I am happy.
He like his jaw went.
That's the
drop.
even
Even the alcohol, he don't care. He just, oh, honey, it's him. I'm like,
he's actually the twin.
yeah.
Oh,
He's not really. Yeah, he's a twin.
I'll take it.
Let me do a nice selfie with you. You know, I'm good at selfies.
It's gonna be for the channel. Is that okay? The video?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I'm good at selfies. See, no filter, man. We look good. Look at that. No filter. We look good. I don't do a filter thing because I don't want people to think like that's how you look in real life, and then when they see you, you don't look like that.
Yeah.
So,
Sounds great.
yeah.
Well, thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Good afternoon. So you're Frankie. How are you? Okay. It's a video.
Okay. Yeah, I want to meet the famous chef.
That's hard to damn try. I've never had Richard tell. Okay, I know you look like it. What? Daddy, get in the picture!
Daddy!
Daddy!
Who's your daddy?
I love your outfit! It's your outfit! Plate down. Put your plate down, hon. Oh, you didn't go yet? Are you going to go yet?
Arigato. Good afternoon. Thank you. I'm here with Mark, right?
Yes. Hi, Sensei Andy.
Sensei Andy. He's a graduate of the Sushi Chef Institute.
Sushi Chef Institute.
Yes.
And here with Hiro.
Hiroyuki.
Yes.
Nice.
Your best friend from Miami.
That's right. Exactly. You saw that post. Yeah,
I just saw it.
You just saw it, right?
Yeah. And here it is.
And Hiro, here you are.
Coincidence.
He's going to cook isopod today.
We brought some from Miami just for the guests here. We wish we had some isopod, but
That would have been crazy.
that made the party, right?
Yeah. Everybody has isopod fried rice.
That's right. He knows. Well, he knows. He's someone with the fried rice, so he saw the video.
So you're the voice.
I'm the camera guy.
You're the
camera.
voice that I always hear. Oh, okay.
That's me. Let's take a look at those ribs, Isaac. I saw them. They're beautiful. Take a look at these ribs. Let me tell you, this is a July 4th party. Oh, parties. Okay, we're about to leave this house party. Check this out. This is, what year is this? El Camino. Yeah. Pretty cool looking car. And he's got this Corvette in here as well. Definitely another cool car. T-tops. Wow, look at this. I don't know what kind of size engine. At least a 350 in there. Pretty cool, huh, Hiro?
Yeah. I need to get the one. I need to get this one.
Yeah.
I used to have a 71 and 80.
71 and 80. Nice. We want to thank again the Sushi Chef Institute, Chef Andy, and of course Amy for sending up a really nice sushi spread here for all your fans to meet up what a great experience. Everyone of the staff and the students always treating us with so much respect and made such delicious sushi. And we met some really nice people too. And I want to thank you all for coming out. And towards the end of this video, you're going to see, besides the meetup, one big surprise. We were leaving LA that night on a red-eye flight, and Hiro uses American Express at the pump, but that gas station didn't take it. So he had to actually go inside and pay with another card. When he went inside, he said someone recognized him. So I won't give it all away, but this gentleman's from Bangladesh and a real big fan. And we want to give a shout out to Jackie. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Everyone who's come up to Hiro saying hello. Hey, I watch your channel. That's what makes it so fun and interesting. And we can't wait till next year when we head out to LA again. Or maybe sooner, right, Hiro?
Yes. I'm gonna stop by October.
In October, right? Okay, very good. Well, in the meantime, if you guys have any questions about Sushi Chef Institute, we'll leave all their information in the description box. Take a look at the bottom of your screen. That's what you got to get in hold of. That's Amy. Thank you again for everything, and we look forward to seeing you all soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Right now.
So we are here, Torrance, California, Sushi Chef Institute.
Right.
And then Mr. Andy Sensei here.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, thank you so much for having us.
Thank you for coming and
Yes.
visiting us. It's such a pleasure meeting with new people. That's great. Thank you.
Thank you. Tell us a little bit about your school, then we're going to go take a little quick tour.
Yes, sure. You can see that our graduator is many people. It's not just for the graduator, their own restaurant. So they're graduated, they have achievement to own restaurant. Those people are with so many walls and there too. So we were a 2-month program and people have no experience people and then become to sushi chef, and we support to finding a job or they need to open a restaurant, we're supporting them too. So that's a wonderful short program, very intensive and by a professional chef to redo this one. We have a library in here, my desk, and she's a super
This is Superwoman.
Superwoman. That's great support. So all communicate with many international students.
Right.
And here for a lobby. And we do for, this is people coming from all over the world. People are whole United States to Europe, Asia. There's a lot of people came from here.
These are prior students, right?
Right.
Where they're from?
They're former graduates.
Wow, unbelievable.
Over 35 different country people and come over, learning, come back, and some restaurant in Scotland. A lady is 3 months ago. She already opened a restaurant.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so it's very fun things in here.
That's great.
So this is our classroom. We're here. We have about full house. It's a very small classes. It's about 9 people. Hey guys. Hello.
Good afternoon.
All right. So we keep continue to do so. We talk about rice. And we do some of the Japanese cooking also. We just do talk about rice, right? Remember? So there's so many different rices available, but we come into here. I'd like to introduce Mr. Hiro-san, and super famous master sushi chef. He lives in Miami, the YouTuber, so too famous right now. So he continue to do another. Our class is keeping, so he joined us today for. All right, thank you for joining us there. So let's go to our class. Keep continue. So we do making an oshitashi is Japanese spinach for a boiling technique. So vegetable coming from a farm, right? You have to wash it. Secondly, boil it. And irodashi meaning the color is coming in, so not overcooking. right texture, light colors, and we need to do ice to do cool down to brunch it. And then taking out, making a sausage 111, soy sauce, dashi, and mirin 111. So making a sausage to decorate it and then done as it is. It's a very simple thing process, but important things. Choosing right ingredients, which is spinach. It should be in nice roll. I don't like it wash it already one. And the spinach wash in the back, remember? Those ones are already 80% of nutrition is gone. So better to buy and we have a more mud, it is still there. So washing yourself. And we do parboil it. So you can see that this side is much easier to boil it. The stem side is much harder. So what we do, 30 seconds first, parboil it, another 30 seconds, the whole thing in, and taking out is ice water, brunch it. Soy sauce. And mirin. You can use for, think about it, the light color soy sauce is okay, but you can see the green is very strong. So you can dark soy sauce is okay too. So I can use for, this is a 1:1 ratio. You can do this one too. Okay, dark soy, mirin, and dashi, 1:1. Simple enough, right? Japanese cooking, everything can teach you a number. So 1 and 1 is a simple. Na and cup and 2 spoons, and they don't do this one. So too simple recipe. That's why we don't talk about it. So you can copy the same day. Right? So that's good benefit for learning. It's cool enough and taking out all the water out. Evenly. We do this way. Okay, so you can see the color of the green. Much nicer green it comes in. Inside it of flavor first. Today the people comes in and 3 days of baby. Take your time to a lot of things in learning. But we are happy to share with you what we learned. So, you know, last 40 years and 50 years and knowledge and everything coming to the 2 months program.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be great experience for whole life and changing. So I always say that I promise I change your life.
That's great.
That's my key word for them.
If you guys ever have an itch to come and learn how to really learn sushi, the culture and how it's done, look at the link below and you come by and visit Chef Andy here in his school. This man has accomplished so much. He's doing more than just teaching his culture. He's teaching a philosophy, the way it was done thousands and thousands of years ago. And I think we're very fortunate. Andy, thank you so much for your time. Your students, they all look excited and motivated.
Thank you.
And we can't wait to see some of the new places that they open up too. So congratulations again. Thank you for having us.
Okay. Thank you so much.
ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございました。どうもです。
Hiro-san.
Hey, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. What a pleasure it is to be here. We have Joseph and Joe.
Tammy?
Tammy. Enoch.
Atipong.
Okay. Yeah. Antipong. Okay. Thank you so much for setting this up. Let me just give everyone a quick view of this beautiful spread that you guys created. Look at this. And we already met one of the YouTube followers here. And a lot of you, like Joe from New Jersey, New York.
Yep.
Yeah, he's been watching the channel for a couple of years. That's why he's here. And some of you other have also been watching the channel. But we're so privileged to be here and to be able to share whatever, you know, whatever needs to get.
And
Yes.
thank you for coming today.
Yes, thank you so much for preparing this. And Chef Andy as well. He's not here right now, but we hope to see you guys soon. Good afternoon. We have some guests with us here. This is Yesenia. We have Erwin.
Hi.
And of course, Erde. Hi. Hi. So tell us, when's the first time you guys were watching the channel?
first time I saw a video of Hiro was when he was chopping that lobster in half, and after that I became a fan.
Yeah.
And this is like a dream come true here.
Thank you so much for being here, for being part of the channel. Birthday also, you were watching the channel. What's the first video that you saw?
The first video I saw is back like 2 years ago. You guys are visiting the Sriracha factory.
Oh, okay.
And
Yeah.
I just fall in love with that channel and become a fan of Chef Hiro since then.
Right. Guys, we won't be anything without you guys being here, following us, and watching some of the videos too. So thank you so much. And I hope you like the one coming up right now.
We'll love it. Yeah. Subscribe, everybody. Subscribe.
Thanks. See you soon. Just finished pumping gas for the car before we return it. And he was like, oh, I went to give him his card. And you said the guy recognized you?
Yes.
Come on. Are you sure? What did they say?
Are you Hiro?
No. Come on.
Hello. You
guys recognize this guy?
Yeah.
No.
You recognize this guy?
For real?
Yeah.
He didn't pay you to say that? You want to be in the video?
Yeah.
It's okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Wow. Okay. Are you guys fans? You guys watch?
Yeah.
What's your favorite video?
My favorite video was the big lobster with Goga.
Oh, Google. Yeah.
that-
Hey, shout out to Google. Heck yeah. Nice, nice.
And other, I like all of his videos.
Oh, thank you so much.
Wow, awesome.
Yeah.
Big fans.
What a small world. Thanks so much for watching, guys.
You know,
Really
sir,
appreciate-
I came from Bangladesh and I started watching a video from Bangladesh.
Really?
From Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Wow. How long have you been here?
I've been here for more than 2 months.
Okay.
So I'm following you more than 2 years.
Wow, nice, nice. Hiro. If you ever come to Miami, he'll cook you a nice meal, okay?
Okay, so
Yeah, thank you so much, guys.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
No, pleasure is ours. Thank you.
Okay, so
We're gonna fly back tonight.
okay.
So actually I was here California 10 days. Yeah, we went to San Francisco and San Diego and a YouTube convention in Anaheim. Yeah, so yeah, this is for you guys.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Sign it for
It's a
him.
pleasure, sir.
Yeah, of course. Let him sign it for you.
Yeah, sir.
You have a pen? All right.
And your social security number too.
No.
And good afternoon.
It's
All right.
a pleasure to meet you.
Yeah, pleasure meeting you too. Actually, hold on 1 second. One moment. All right, so when I walked in and you saw, of course you recognize Hiro, right?
Yeah, but when I heard your voice, then I recognized, oh my god, he's here too? And make my day.
I'm his bodyguard. That's why I'm here with him. And you said you read some of the comments?
Yeah, when I read the comments,
Yeah.
sometimes I read the comment about you, yeah.
I tell those people, yeah, tough luck. I'm sorry. They're jealous because I get to eat his food.
yeah.
Well, thank you again so much.
Okay, thank you, sir.
What a
Thank
pleasure
you
to
so
meet
much.
you.
Pleasure to meet you, sir. Pleasure. You made my day, sir.
Oh,
Okay.
good.
You are
All right, take
a
care.
big fan.
Yeah.
Sir.
Thank you so
sir.
much.
Thank you.
All right,
Bye,
bye-bye.
sir.
Bye-bye.